If you need to import a PDF into Photoshop, whether you want to edit a full page, extract images, or turn it into a clean, high-resolution canvas, this video will walk you through it step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, go up to the top menu and click File, then choose Open. Now browse to the PDF file you want to work with, select it, and click Open. As soon as you do that, Photoshop will display the Import PDF window. This is the key step where you decide exactly how Photoshop should bring your PDF into the document. On the right-hand side, you'll see several important options. The first one is Select. If you want to import a full page or layout from the PDF, choose Pages. This is the best option when you want Photoshop to open the document as a complete visual layout. If, however, your PDF contains embedded photos or graphics and you only want to pull out those raw images, choose Images instead. Next is Resolution. This setting controls the quality and sharpness of the imported file. If you are working on something that will be printed, set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. That gives you a much cleaner and more professional result for print use. If the PDF is only being used for web, social media, or screen display, 72 is usually enough and will keep the file lighter. After that, look at Mode. This should match what you plan to do with the file. If you're preparing a print layout, choose CMYK color. If your project is for digital use, online graphics, or anything viewed on a screen, choose RGB color. Picking the right color mode helps avoid color shifts later in the editing process. You'll also see a checkbox for suppress warnings. This is a very useful option, especially if your PDF contains fonts or elements that Photoshop may not fully recognize. By checking this box, you can prevent Photoshop from showing repeated warning messages about missing fonts or other import issues. It makes the process much smoother and cleaner. Once your settings are correct, click OK. Photoshop will now render the PDF page and open it as its own canvas. This means the PDF is no longer just a document preview. It becomes an editable Photoshop image file that you can work on like any other project. From here, you can crop, retouch, add text, adjust colors, or make any other edits you need. This method is especially useful if you want to convert a PDF into a high-resolution editable image without starting from scratch. So to quickly recap, open the PDF through File and Open. Choose whether you want pages or images, set your resolution, pick the correct color mode, check suppress warnings if needed, and then click OK to import it into Photoshop cleanly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.